In this video, I'll be showing you how to use green screen in CapCut PC. Start by dragging your green screen clip into the timeline. Be sure to place it above the background that you want to use. Make sure you have the clip selected, then go up and select Video, then Remove BG. Enable the Custom Removal option. Select the Smart Brush if you have Pro or the default brush if you don't. Click and paint over your subject, trying to get the selection as accurate as possible. This will be easier if you have the Smart Brush. Use the Smart Eraser or Eraser tool to fix any mistakes. Once done, click the Apply button. Adjust the feather to add a blurred effect to your selection, or adjust the Expand option to improve your selection. Moving the Expand slider to the left will decrease your selection size, while moving to the right will increase your selection. Alternatively, if your subject is on a green screen, then enable the Chroma key option. Click on the green screen to select it. Adjust the settings if needed. If your green screen doesn't cover the whole background, then head to the toolbar and select the Crop Ratio option. Adjust the sides to crop out anything that isn't the green screen. Then go down and click the Confirm button. Adjust the size and position if needed. You can use the Adjust options on your green screen clip to blend your subject into the background by adjusting the Adjust settings or by using the Color Match option. You now know how to use green screen in CapCut PC. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.